So I don't really want to spend too much time introducing what Svelte is. Well, basically, I don't really need anything to start with, so I'm just going to delete it. All right, that's good. I'm just going to make a new file, page.svelte. Okay, so it's going to at least show something, right? Show me something. No routes found. Why is that? Plus page.svelte. So this is what you need. Okay, I'm ready. Now, where am I gonna start? So let's include, so I would just create let's call stage. And I'm gonna include the AFRAME scene here. Script import AFRAME and import, what was that? AFRAME environment component, yes. And let's go. Let's see how it works. Let's see what it returns. A box. If I go to stage, internal error. Sure, what's happening? Self is not defined. Okay, I see what it is. So AFRAME doesn't like being called at the server side because Sveltekit tries to pre-render everything at the server side when you accessed the website for the first time. So I'm just going to disable the server-side rendering because AFRAME, otherwise you can't require or import AFRAME. What I'm going to do is add a file, page.ts. If there's going to be a deeper route, it's better to rename it to layout.ts. I don't know. I'm not sure if I'm going to just make a deeper route, so I'm just going to plus page.ts. And what was necessary? Let's go to my favorite. How can I disable server-side rendering in Sveltekit using plus page.ts? I've been using this AI assistant. It's so helpful. It's just quicker than going to the Stack Overflow. Right. This is it. I don't need any more. Page.server.ts. Okay, so this is everything. This is all I needed. Okay, so let's save it. Page.server.ts. I think it was okay. Page.ts, right? Yeah. Okay, so let's try. So it's connecting. I think it's now AFRAME scene. I'm not sure why it's not really showing anything. I'm going to set as AFRAME environment. So what was the property? I just don't remember. On-site environment. No. Environment equal. Okay. What was the property? I would say preset. Forest. Does this help? Yeah, great. This A box is not right, it is here. Okay, that's great. So that's succeeded. Perfect. So now I have the A-frame working within Sveltekit, and I successfully disabled server-side rendering. That's why it's working. Okay. Let's see. I don't like the navigation because you're not supposed to be navigating by using mouse. So I'm gonna create a entity and call it a rig. And it's a very standard custom that to wrap a camera component in a rig so that you can just move the camera anywhere you want. Was the controls enabled because false, and look controls enabled equals false. Then yes, you are not able to do anything. Why the camera is above? Okay, so rig is position. I'm just gonna do 11000 now, and cameras should be, well, just because in tactics ogre. Let's go back to the image. You're always watching from a certain angle, in 45 angle, and when you have a target at 000, the camera is kind of I don't know, like how many steps away from the target. So I'm just gonna do position. So this is gonna offset the camera from the origin. X. Okay, so X 5 meters, maybe Y 5 meters, Z. Wait a minute. No, I see. So if you're looking at the origin, you're supposed to be looking down from the left. I'm just gonna. So if you're looking at the origin from a position, I think you're offsetting -5 with that. 5 meters above the ground and 5 meters to the z-axis, and rotation is 0, 45, 0. That's how you're looking at the origin from an angle, right? Let's go. Okay, where is it? Okay, so maybe you should look down further. Oh no, you're not looking down. Okay, I see what it is doing. Okay, so you are supposed to look down as well. But it's a -45. I don't see it. Is it -45 this way as well? All right. So it's working. So you're looking down on the ground from a distance. So it's got some perspective happening. Am I gonna allow it or not? I think I wouldn't necessarily like this parallel view. It's okay if it's in perspective, but at the same time, I think it's too wide. Like the range is just too wide, so I'm just gonna set field of view is maybe 80 is for 60. Okay, so it's tighter to it in the right way actually. Camera distance. Wait. Equals to 5. Number. Why is it camera distance. Okay, so I'm just gonna make it 10 and say, look, 1 cubic meter is okay. So then I'll just make it 7. That's good. 45 degrees down isn't really pretty. 30 I would make. 25. Yeah. Or maybe go tighter, like 50 mil. Tighter and make it H something. Okay, I think I like it. So this is what essentially it's going to be. Okay, perfect. Right. So the navigation. Wait, why is it lastly enabled? Okay, so it's a typo again. Enabled. Okay. So what I need is my own navigation system.